guys! Welcome to another video of Jana and Alonzo. Finally guys, eto na. Namiss niyo ba ako? Kasi namiss ko kayo. Grabe guys, ang dami nagbago sa amin ni Alonzo. Kaya eto na. Official first episode of what? Season 2? Season 3? Ganun na naman. Anyway, so now, for my first episode for season 3? Maybe. Basta pag-isipan ko anong season na tayo. Basta yun. So, I do plan or did plan to really push for my first episode na mag-condo tour. Kasi this is our first official home of Alonzo. Wow. Dito kami magbubuo ng lahat ng memories. And hoping one day to really get a permanent home. For the meantime, dito lang muna kami. Temporary kasi nga we need to be closer to therapy centers, to the hospitals. Basta I'll go into details later, kukwento ko yun. Kasi etong condo na to will show how I really wanted to move in this place or in this home because of Alonzo. Basta papakita ko yun sa inyo. So, tara! Pasok tayo! Let's go! Okay, so mamaya ng mga room tours, we will start first with the kitchen. Tara! So, welcome to my home. So, dining pala muna tayo, hindi muna tayo kitchen.
We will start first with the kitchen.
So, this is the our dining table. I didn't really make an effort to buy one. This is where actually our meeting table sa J&A. Kinuha ko lang. Kasi nga, ayoko na gumastos. Anyway, parang from that time, kasi parang, baka dalawa lang kumain. And then, I just bought these chairs sa IKEA. Tapos, parang 1,000 pesos each lang. So, basically, that's it. And then, here, ito yung aking mini altar. And then, my collection, Disney collection. Alam ko, nakatumba lahat yan. Wala na, hindi na ako nag-e-effort kasi lagi tinutumba yan ni Alonzo pag nagwo-walker siya. So, hindi na ako nag-e-effort ayusin. Lahat. Actually, ang dami pa akong collections na Disney sa bahay sa Antipolo na, yun, naiwan ko. I'm really a Disney girl. As in, this is just like 1/4 of my collection. Like, sobrang dami pa nito sa Antipolo. So, thank you parents for letting me leave my collection there. So, frames, yung mga awards ko, mga certificate of appreciation, nandiyan lahat. Actually, ang dami kong award, lalo yung mga TikTok award ko, lahat nasa Antipolo. Soon, dadalhin ko na siya dito kasi lahat kailangan isabit sa wall. But, still thinking about it pa. Kasi gusto ko sana na may dito kasi empty spot to. Gusto ko sana lagyan ng shelf or acrylic, pero pag may budget na. Anyway, so this is my recent and actually most favorite award. So this is from Midnight Studios. Sayang hindi ko nakuha yung malaking picture. If you're watching and it's with you, baka pwede akin na yun. Ang kamalabo ka, So this is award of sa Mother's Day. Women's Month. Yon. But anyway, ito, alam mo yung mga like junk drawer. So ako junk shelf. So, mga everyday na kailangan. And then, Lilo, yan. Tinatago niya yung mga bills namin. So, yan. Meralco bill, baka naman, yan. So, yeah, I'm very happy with my altar actually. Gusto ko pa, kulang pa si Padre Pio. And then, I wanna add more. So, yeah. So, okay. So, first, pagpasok, syempre, food ni Bucky, yan. Diyan lang. Ito station ni Bucky. And then, we have our pantry. Ayan, pantry namin to. I love food. A lot of food. Why? Because I don't really like eating out. Super gastos. And don't take this in a negative way. Super hassle. Ilabas si Alonzo. Ang daming kailangan dalhin. So, as much as possible, if we could eat at home and spend on food, better. So, yan. So, ito yung mga kape-kape nila Ate Flor, nila Lynn, kung sino man. Yan. Ito yung mga kape-kape nila. And then, this is my stash, my Sip to Glow, and my Lux Slim, yan, everyday ko yan iniinom. And then, ito rin yung stash ko ng mga juices. Ito, gata is life pag nagluluto ako. And then, Vienna sausage, syempre spam. Kasi alam niyo bakit? Dati, nagtatrabaho pa ako, hanggang maling lang ako. Ngayon, may spam na ako. Nag-promote ka dito. Dito naman pala, I forgot to show you. Ito yung mga big items kasi medyo maliit yung shelf dito. So, oil, Claro, Jolly, and then Mamacita, and then popcorn. Popcorn is life. Ito ay part ng top 10 luho ko, actually. Basta kailangan every grocery meron. Pero ngayon, dahil may mga playmates na si Alonzo, may kalaban na ako. I don't know if you understand me or you'll get me. Yung mga bagay na, Mom, pa, I want this. No! We have to buy other things more important. Yung mga ganon. So now that I have the means to buy it, I buy what I want. I mean, next pantry is Alonzo's cabinet. So, let's go. Etong cabinet na to, ay ang cabinet na binubuksan lahat ng bisita ko. At dito sila kumukuha. Like, ko alam kung bakit lagi nila binubuksan to. At dito sila kumukuha ng kung ano-ano. And you know who you guys are.
My family, my friends, my staff.
Sino pa? Basta lahat ng pumupunta dito, binubuksan nila to. At kung ano-ano kinukuha nila. Yes, we are Tiny Buds addict people. Addict? But yeah, we are official Tiny Buds, mommy buds, and baby buds si Zozo talaga. So, ito yung mga wipes niya. And then, ito yung mga baby bottle wash niya, lotion, shampoo. Ito kasi favorite kong cologne, guys. If you are from the 90s, and yun yung Angel's Breath ba yun? So, yung sikat na baby cologne, kaamuhin niya to. Sobrang bango. And then, yan, all the way dyan sa dulo. Puno yan. And then, ito yung mga trentahen items. Yung mga gamot, lahat-lahat, mga sakit ulo, yeah. Basta yan, puro gamot, whatever, vitamins si Zo, ayan. I get this from TikTok. This is one of things that I do believe na nag-improve si Zo kasi this focuses on brain development. So, pang lalaking gamit. Mga construction, wait lang. Mga tools, ano ba yan dyan na? I have my own drill, yes. Ito yung one of the first things I bought here sa TikTok para sa bahay. Kasi, as in, hilig ko mag-ayos-ayos, mag-DIY. And then, ito yung toolbox ko. Babaeng tao, diba? Ganun talaga. So, ito yung toolbox ko. Alam ko magulo to kasi nag-ayos ako nung isang araw. Hindi ko pa naayos. Ayan. Huwag na natin tignan. So, yan. Ay, nagkalat pa talaga dyan na Berenguer. Here pala is yung mga Ambipure, mga toothbrush, sabon, yung mga toiletries ko or everybody here in the house in case. Kasi, dami kasi nakikitulog dito. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. One thing that didn't cross my mind when we moved here or when we gave the deposit, appliances. Hindi ko naisip ang appliances. And then, the Lord works His power. Thank you to Hanabishi. Siya po ang nag-provide lahat ng appliances dito sa aking kusina. And I'm very, very grateful for them. Kasi talagang nag-post ako, nag-reach out agad sila and said, Mommy Lana, it's your first home. Why not Hanabishi be part of your home? And I said, yes. So, the first is yung ref. Eto, hindi ko in-expect. Kala ko bibigay nila sa akin yung maliit lang kasi nga condo. And then yung dumating, parang, oh my God, it's so big! Kasi guys, lagi na lang second hand. I don't know, this is like my first really owned ref. So, I'm so happy. So, wag na natin pakita yung loob ng ref. Kasi, makikita nyo walang laman. Yes, wala siyang masyadong laman. Puro tubig. Wag na. Okay na yan. And then, we have our microwave, air fryer. One of my top 10 luho, the ice maker. It's a must-have. And then, this one, Bee Coffee. I bought this in TikTok. Ito lang binili ko. Tsaka to. But, wait. Huh? Anyway, yeah. Sobrang addict ako sa kape. So, there are times that I really need 2 cups of coffee. So, I just use this, yung mga pods. And then, I get Starbucks pods na lang. Para nandun pa rin yung lasa ng Starbucks. And then, syempre, bigas is life. And then, here is my spice rack. Totoo lang, guys. Etong rack na to is actually pang shoe or pang ilalim ng sink. I totally forgot that my grease trap pala yung sink namin dito. So, I just thought of an easy way. So, ginawa ko siyang spice rack. So, nandito yung condiments, yung mga onions, mga sinigang mix is life. Sobrang dami kong sinigang mix. Ewan ko, alam nyo, may ganun ba kayo guys? Pag pumupunta kayo ng grocery, kahit alam nyo meron, kukuha pa rin kayo ng sinigang mix. Ewan ko, ganun ako. Parang, alam ko naman meron sa bahay, pero kukuha ka pa rin. So, naipon. So, nandyan, ang dami. Parang 10 pieces na yan. This one, rice cooker. Siyempre, heating kettle. And then, sobrang proud rin ako dito. Si Red Chef. Ito yung knife. Sobrang ganda ng knife sila. I got this also in TikTok. Si Red Chef. By the way, pura ko. I got it in TikTok. Comment down below, guys, kung ano yung mga items na gusto nyo. I'll give you guys the link. And then, eto, ang dami rin nagtatanong sa akin kasi pwede talaga gas dito sa condo na to. But I preferred talaga induction cooker. Not because Hannah B she gave. I mean, I had a choice to decline the induction cooker. But I thought of the safetyness of everyone in the condo. Kasi, let's face it, like, it's so hard to order a tank and you have to have an extra tank na katambay, which is very, very dangerous, lalo na enclosed yung condo. So, okay na nagumastos a little bit sa kuryente. So, yan, induction cooker. Pasaway! Dapat may range hood kasi yan. Nabili ko naman. In all honesty, nabili ko. Hindi ko pa siya napapakabit. Yes. Getting there, okay? Etong fan. Ganyan. Hinoon namin. Woo! Palabas ng window. Pag namoy nila yung tuyo, tilapia, bangus, adobo, mga gisa-gisa. Oh well, we can share naman. So, yan. And then, yeah, ito yung sink. Siyempre, Tiny Buds is life. Plates, all from IKEA. Kailangan ko ba buksan to? Walang laman eh. Mga Tupperwares na. Then I got this from IKEA also. Then my favorite rin to, yung trash can na to. Sa TikTok rin to, guys. Then we use filter water kasi, again, hassle pag mag-order ng, ano tawag doon? Yung sa dispenser. And then tray from TikTok. Ito pala. Tanan! So, Ariel is Life. Cleaning essentials is all under here. Then this one is more of cleaning. Sorry, baka sabi mo, Mami J, bata dami mong cleaning stuff. Talagang kailangan madami kasi si Zoe. So talagang everyday, kailangan talaga maglinis talaga. And ito yung mga pots and pans natin. And it's all from Red Chef. Kasi super affordable niya. Huwag na natin buksan yan. Ayan guys, mga yan. Ayan, mga yan, wala nang laman yan guys. So, like and subscribe guys para magkalaman na yan. Para may, alam nyo na. Pati ito guys, walang laman. Walang laman yan. Ano lang yan? For decor, for aesthetic. By the way, the cabinets came with the condo. So, overwhelmed nga ako kasi parang ang laki pala ng kitchen ko. But, yeah. So, let's go here. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the laundry area and room ng caregivers. But a place wherein they can make tambay. Their stuff are here kasi medyo common siya. Common area siya. So, hindi talaga siya super enclosed. Ito rin, CR rin to. Pero kasi puro personal stuff ng caregivers. So, ayoko na buksan kasi personal stuff na nila yan. Ito kasi privacy na to ng mga caregivers. So, CR nila to. In here, this is like storage area. I'm not a hoarder, but I'm a hoarder when it comes to Alonzo's stuff. So, when you come in here, ito yung mga bag nila Ate Flor, Ate Lynn. Kasi nga, minsan talaga natutulog sila dito. So, you see these boxes? All the way there are all the milk of Alonzo. Kasi ako, pag nakita ko na kasi na may available na sobrang madami, hino-hoard ko na.
I'm not a hoarder.
Parang, basta kino-compute ko yan, guys. I know there's expiration, you're worried na computed na yan hanggang kailan yan. Ito po ang sinasabi ko sa inyong range hood na hindi ko pa pinapakabit. Love! Pila ako sa Jay-Z, hello. So, other stuff there, if you see those are for donation to PCMC and other communities na sineset aside ko pa. Parang kailangan ko pa ayusin. Kasi ayoko lang magbigay kasi baka hindi rin nila magamit. So, I need to make time for that. Ang higaan nila and then mga gamit-gamit. Storage as well. So, we moved now to the laundry. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, hindi naman talaga room nila because wala talaga silang masyadong privacy. Pero stay out naman sila. The caregiver sleeps here kasi they sleep with me and Zoe sa room. Sobrang init dito. So, dun sila kasama ko. Ito yung laundry area namin. So this is LG. Oh! This is the second biggest collab that I had. Yes, second ko to. So, ito, may kasama siyang dryer. Pero iniwan ko dun sa Antipolo. So, this is a washer-dryer. Automatic dryer na siya. So, pag nag-wash siya, pagkatapos, super tuyo na siya. Hindi na kailangan siya isampay. Galing naman. So, LG, baka naman ulit. Joke na. Actually, guys, itong condo tour na to, biglaan to. Not planned. So, kung ano man makita mo, actual, yun na yun. So, ito, kay Zoe, yung mga towel niya, i-soak it kasi nga sa laway, sa vomit. So, we really do soak it talaga before putting it in the washing. And syempre, Ariel, Tiny Buds, yan. Kahit 6 years old na si Zoe, lahat ng clothes pa rin ni Zoe, gamit pa rin natin ang ating Tiny Buds. So, there. And then, ito yung mga cleaning stuff, the mop. And dalawa yung mop, guys, kasi isang mop is for Bucky's pee. And then, this is for generally for the whole indoor. And then, vacuums. And then, ang ating kabayo, di ba? Kabayo, right? So, that's basically the laundry area. So, let's go back inside naman. Okay, so we will go to room 1. Or I must say, everybody's room. Damn! Slash. Basta yun na yun. Ayoko na explain kasi complicated siya. But come in. When you come in here, the first thing you'll see is the bed and massage chair. Actually, yung lumipat ako dito at dinala ko to, ito yung mga things na sabi ng dad ko.
Do you really have to bring the chair?
But anyway, nagagamit naman niya kasi dito rin natutulog yung dad ko. Yun, kaya nga everybody's room to because backstory, we used to have a mid-house. So, dun nagsistay yung brother ko, sister ko, dad ko. So, parang ganun yung setup. So, ngayon, ito na yung halfway house. I'm very happy kasi may kasama pa rin si Zoe, ganyan. So, come in. I really made this muna a guest room. Then, my brother also stays here. Nakikitulog rin sisters ko dito. Tutulog rin dito si JC pag bumibisita. So, talagang hindi ko magawa yung initial plan, which was supposed to be Alonzo's room. Pero kasi, sabi ko, knowing me, gusto ko pa rin siya katabi. So, sabi ko, hindi, it's too dark. Wala masyadong sunlight. So, just make it a guest room or everybody's room. But, this one is non-negotiable to all my guests. These cabinets, except the last two, sila papa na yan, these are all Alonzo's medical supplies. Ito po ang heaven ko. Mini hospital, mini storage. So, manakaw na lahat, wag lang to. Swear. This can't be found kasi sa Philippines. So, these are the Kangaroo Joey feeding pump bags. Diba? Ang hahaba ng mga pangalan.
Nice.
So, yung details nito, guys, we can make another video about it. But basically, this is all Alonzo's medical supplies. Kasi it will take an hour if I'll explain everything. Here, medical supplies rin yan. Ito, gamit nila papa, so I don't wanna open that na. Ito na to, ginagamit ko to pang live selling ko ng J&A. So, let's go here. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 extra mattress, whoever wants to sleep here. And it's also one of my collabs. Thank you to TCL for the TV. So, ang backstory dito sa area na to is I am trying my best to think of a way to convert it already to a study working table for everyone who stays here. Kasi nangyayari, kung sino man nakikitulog dito, parang nakatambak yung mga gamit nila dyan. Kasi nga, dahil nga nandito yung mga gamit ni Zoe, hindi nila nilalagay yung mga gamit nila. And at the same time, hindi na namin kaya bihisan or ayusan si Zoe dito kasi nga ang gulo niya. Parang gusto niya lagi bumaba. So, which is very dangerous. Mga drawers na yan, I can make another video kasi mga medical supplies rin yan that we will be transferring outside. And then, car seat niya. Kasi lately, puro bazaar ako, puro lakad ako, puro events. So, tinanggal ko to kasi we needed extra space in the car. Ito yung pangpaligo ni Zoe. It's like, comment down below, I'll make another video about paano namin pinapaliguan si Zoe. But ito yung pangpaligo ni Zoe. So, ito yung CR ng lahat, actually. Sabihin ko sana Zoe, but ng lahat. Why dito si Zoe? Kasi dun sa CR, sa room namin ni Zoe, hindi kasya yung pangpaligo niya. Ito kasi mas wide yung shower area. So next, so we're done here. Off to my room. Come in, this is the room of Zoe. Zoe talaga, room namin ni Zoe to. Pero parang room na nga ni Alonzo rin to. So, come in, nakikiroom lang tayo dito. So, when you come in, you see this giant king-size bed by Emma. Thank you, Emma, for this bed. Alam mo guys, kinikilig talaga ako pag may nagbibigay or may nagko-collab. And actually, if you're asking if they pay me, no. Gamit, I'm fine. Like, you know, hindi ako greedy eh. Pag may magbigay na brand and it's nice, I like it, gamit lang, okay na tayo. And then, eto, I got this side table from TikTok. Dito na to kasi ito yung night essentials ni Alonzo. So, yung sleepy time, face serum, oil niya, and then ito pang allergies niya, and then ito sa eyes niya. Kasi di ba may lazy eye siya. Yung kusa na lang tumataas yung left eye niya. So, this is his medicine para mag-stabilize yung pupils niya or eyes niya. And then ito yung suction machine niya. So, in case of any emergency at night, we have his suction machine. Ito po yung portable niya. We have another suction machine outside. Ito rin guys, manakaw na lahat, wag lang to. Mas mahal pa to sa iPhone 17. Okay, next is we have my vanity area, which I never expected. Hindi kasi ako ma-makeup, hindi ako nag-aayos talaga. Like, what you see is what you get. The people that's surrounding me, convincing me to fix myself up, to learn how to put makeup and all of that. To be honest, guys, I'm not really a fan of it, but I'm learning, so congratulate me ako. So anyway, these are all my makeup. And legit, guys, if you saw my video, I'm such a mascara fan. YSL. And then NARS. Hindi ko alam, guys ha. As in, hindi ko alam na ganyan yan kamahal. Kasi bigay nga. So when people or when my friends and family, sisters like, I mean, you have this? You know how expensive this is? Girl, kung alam ko lang na ganyan yan kamahal, di sana hindi ko ginamit at binenta ko na lang. What? Joke lang. Alam na sobrang mahal pala nito. So, ito yung everyday lipstick ko. Yan, I got this in TikTok as well. My famous Grace and Glow sa aking underarm. And the next, I'm proud of to say, may mga watch na ako. Ayan, thank you to Timex. And eto guys, kala nyo mahal-mahal to. 250 lang yan sa TikTok. Comment down below kung gusto nyo. So mag-comment lang kayo, Mommy J, ano yung link ng ganyan? I will reply. So, then lahat tong pearls, kwento ko lang. Lahat ng pearls yung bigay ni JC. Kasi pag mag-ibang bansa siya sa work niya, I don't know what's with pearls. I'm not into pearls, but he always gives me pearls. So, but I'm very grateful. Next! Parang bata. Okay, so, if you are really a follower of mine, you know in Antipolo, I have just one tiny closet na gumagana lang doon 2 drawers. Here, kala mo naman dami kong damit, no? So, here's my closet. O, diba? Kala mo nga dami kong damit, diba? So, here are my shirts and nakakatawa. Most of my shirts pa here are all from J&A. Yung mga inclusion shirts ko, printed shirts ko, and of course, may famous, lahat to, wait, lipat ko, mali ang organization.
Lipat ko, mali ang organization.
Guys, lahat to Uniqlo. Bakit kaya ang dami kong plain shirts? I don't really buy clothes, but the person behind the camera,
Sanan, kailangan nakapink ka. Ito, nasuot mo na yan. Okay, so
yan. So there, that's the story. Medyo dumami yung t-shirts ko. Mga ginamit ko na to sa lahat ng interviews ko. See? Diba? Paulit-ulit lang yan, guys. Be practical in life. Okay? Guys, huwag niyo pansinin yung ilalim kasi yan lahat yan ay mga nila-live ko. So here is part of my top 10. Hindi ko na nga alam kung 10 pa rin yun yung mga luho ko. What? But you see this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lahat yan ay Disney hoodies. puzzle ko. First puzzle na ginawa ko dito, ipapa-frame ko na to. I love puzzles, by the way. I have actually one pending. I usually do 1,000 pieces and basta walang distraction, in 3 to 4 days tapos ko na siya. Yung tao sa likod ulit, yan. Siya may kasalanan nito eh. Kaya medyo dumami yung utang ko sa credit card ko. Joke lang. Dati, I just own one jeans. I own one pair of jeans. And now I have what? 1, 2... Because of the person behind this camera. But yeah, siya rin kasi stylist ko eh. So, stylist? Most of this already came from Antipolo ha. Nung Baguio days, buhay na tong dress na to. Eto rin. Eto. Tony Gonzaga to. Hindi ko nga alam kung kasya pa yun sa akin kasi ang payat ko nung araw na yun. Buhay pa to. Eto pa yung sinuot ko ato ng baptism ni Zoe. I keep them talaga. So, yung ibang quotes ko, which is there, ay ukay-ukay. Yes, nag-ukay-ukay ako. Guys, siguro ang dami nyo na i-comment to. Pero comment down below kung gusto nyo, i-try ko lahat ng ginamit ko 3 years ago kung kasya pa sa akin. Now, we have, syempre, Hanabishi ulit tayo. Thank you. Ito naman mga pang-live ko, kulang pa to eh. Dinala ko kasi sa office, pero 3 to. So, pag nagla-live, less selling ako dito sa house. So, mga brands out there or small businesses who would like to start, I can live sell for you guys. Just hit me up. Email me. Yan. So, yan. Nagla-live ako. And then, tripod. Actually, 4 na yung tripod ko eh. Kasi guys, di talaga tumatagal ang tripod. Yes, matibay siya. Pero kung everyday mo gagamitin, hindi talaga tumatagal. So, you always need an extra tripod. So, other side of the room. One reason why I chose this room, not the other side, na medyo mas malaki. I didn't like that because walang ganito. Walang sunlight, walang yung pwede buksan, tapos makita mo yung may balcony, hindi mo makikita yung view dyan sa labas. Maingay nga lang siya sa gabi because it's the main road of Ortigas, but I'm fine with it. I will love the sunlight every morning. This is my desk. You don't have to go closer. Diyan ka na lang. Medyo makalat. But yeah, this is where I work at night. Pag tulog na si Zoe, para tipid sa aircon kasi sobrang init talaga, guys. And syempre, kailangan ko bantayan si Zoe. So, this is my working area. So, etong drawers na to, usually nandyan yung mga items ko for collabs as well. And then, eto, share ko lang. Ito yung next puzzle na gagawin ko. It's 1,000 pieces. Hoping next week, I can start it already. Well, natatapos ko kasi to in 4 days and baka magalit ulit yung tao sa likod ng camera.
Diyan may trabaho.
Ba't nagpapuzzle ako? So, I'm waiting and looking for the right time to do this because I don't need any distraction. So, there. So, let's go.
Wait a minute!
Sorry, I forgot. My baby boy. Yan si Mickey Mouse. So, kung may mga Mickey Mouse kayo dyan, email lang kayo. So, next, ayan pala, sorry, mga Disney ko. So, pinag-iipunan ko pa yung dalawa, si Fairy Godmother, tsaka si Prince Charming. Di ko kasi sila mahanap. So, kung nahanap niyo sila, message niyo ako. Pero dapat bigay niyo na sa akin. Huwag ko na bilhin, bigay niyo na, joke lang. And then, this is my bathroom, my banyo. So, there. So, yeah, very, walang kaano-ano. I'm very practical talaga, guys. As in, sobrang practical. Shampoo, conditioner, that's it. I don't need a lot of things inside the banyo because I barely use it because I only have 2 to 5 minutes to shower because of my son. Alam mo, pag nanay ka, matututo ka talaga amazing race sa CR eh. Mabilis mag-poop, mabilis umihi, mabilis maligo, parang lahat. Pati mag-toothbrush, di mo alam kung nag-toothbrush ka talaga kasi nanay ka eh. So, yeah. So, let's go now to the main course. Main part of the house. Tara. Okay, so here it is. The Alonzo Sala / lahat kay Alonzo. So, this one, if you can see, it's not the usual sala. Okay? So, when I went to do an ocular to visit this condo, yes, visit this condo, when I saw this, wala, seriously guys, Hindi ko tinignan yung rooms, kung ano man meron dun sa laundry area. Nung nakita ko tong sala na to, napayes agad ako. Because when we were in Antipolo, literally, my room was just like 10 square meters. Parang ganyan lang. Parang sakto lang isang kama, tapos onting space lang. So, ang daming equipment ni Zo, ang daming niyang gamit. So, sabi ko, we need to move out. And then, yung travel time namin ni Alonzo, papuntang therapy, papuntang hospital, talagang, ayoko naman sabihin the word hassle, pero nakakaawa kay Zo kasi parang ilang oras yung biyahe, ang daming kotse, sobrang traffic. So, that's actually the main purpose why we moved in our new home. So, quick tour kasi puro kay Alonzo, abot ulit tayo ng siyam-siyam na oras. But here, this couch turns into a sofa bed. Again, talagang family home to. So, pag hindi kasya sa guest room, dito sila natutulog kasi parang king size ata to. Could fit 2 to 3 people. Minsan dito rin natutulog sila Ate Flor at si Ate Lynn. Dito rin sila. And then, eto, yan, pinapakain kasi namin si Zo. Ito yung walker niya. So, he runs around here. Suction machine, feeding, piano niya. So, I got this table from TikTok as well. Pag nag-activity kami, nag-OT session kami. So, yan. And then, ito lang yung akin dito actually. Treadmill ko. So, as much as possible, I run every day or walk yung 10K steps. Para lang may exercise kasi look at this boy. You see this boy? He's huge. He's 25 kilos and mommy needs to be healthy. Mommy needs to be strong. For baby Zozo. Baby ka pa ba? Baby ka pa ba? Baby ba? So there. And then, ito, balcony. I don't wanna open it because once I open it, you will know where I live. So, yan. And then, swing ni Zozo. And then, ito yung mga toys ni Zo. Super. Kung ako, Disney. Ako napapansin nyo, puro Sesame Street. Addict si Zo sa He Really Loves Elmo, Cookie Monster. Yan, gustong-gusto niya yan. Dahil sa dada niya, si JC. Si JC nag-influence sa kanya. So yan, TV, TCL, thank you. So, ayan, Mickey Mouse ulit. And then, ito yung extra feeding pump niya. You know, being a medical mom, I've learned, despite it being very expensive, always have an extra machine. Kaya dalawa yung suction namin, dalawa rin yung feeding pump namin. Pang live ko. Ay! Lahat yan. And then, ito rin, gamit rin ni Zo, nagbebenta rin kami ng cellphone. Kulangan ng 3 yan eh, kinuha nila. This is all Tiny Buds, this is all his medicines, lahat ng panglinis sa trach. Ito, lahat ng daily essentials niya. I can do another tour for this kasi sobrang dami. And then, ito yung Super Mama Lab na bago nilang sterilizer, which is
very good.
Thank you, Super Mama, for giving this to Zozo. Super, super okay siya. And then, ito yung mga extra na sterilize na tinaas. Kasi guys, ang dami talagang gamit kailangan ni Alonzo. So, hindi siya kasya dito. So, ito, secured to, sterilized Tupperware na yan. And then, ayan yung milk and water ni Alonzo. So, ito yung sa everyday na kailangan ni Zo na medical supplies. So, there. That's our home. So, yun guys, that's basically our little home. And I would like also pala to thank you guys. Hindi dahil sa inyo, lahat nagmahal sa amin ni Alonzo, nagpray para kay Alonzo, lumaki si JNA, lumaki rin yung following ko, and sana dito rin sa YouTube, lumaki yung subscribers ko. Dahil sa inyo, natutupad ko na lahat ng kailangan ni Alonzo. Ang priority talaga natin dito ay si Zozo. Ang dami nga talaga nagsasabi sa akin, Mommy J, paano ikaw? Magbakasyon ka naman. For me, that's not the priority now. The priority is Alonzo. So, kaya salamat. Alam ba ito naiiyak? Kasi I like, truly, seryoso. Like, I am genuinely very grateful for you guys. Kasi kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi talaga magiging ganito yung buhay ni Alonzo. And you guys have been part of our daily routine, daily life since day one. And I'm very grateful for that. So, yun guys, hoping that you guys could subscribe, like, turn on your notif button para pag may uploads na tayo, yes, and yes. Every week, meron na akong upload. Parang tinawanan ko lang yung sarili ko. But yes, I am trying my best and will do my best because may kasama na ako. Kasi guys, no joke, it's not easy to edit and lalo na ngayon, it's not easy to film. Kasi ang gulo-gulo na nito, hindi na pwede mag-tripod kung saan-saan na to, di ba? Ayan, ang gulo-gulo-gulo-gulo ng anak ko. So yeah, so hoping every week I do have an upload, but I need your help. Again, comment na naman. Comment down below what you guys want us to do. Any content ideas, comment down below lang guys. And I'll try my best to do it. Kung gusto nyo rin ako maki-collab with other wow, parang kapalumukha ko. Kaya ko sila contact. But anyway, itag nyo sila. But anyway, kung gusto ko mag-collab sa ibang content creators, content mommies, mga ganon, comment down below. So anyway guys, that's it. See you guys on our next video. Bye!